Hi everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating how to use the GoRouter package in Flutter for navigation. This package provides a simple and flexible way to handle navigation in your Flutter application. We'll be covering the core concepts of the GoRouter in a short and quick tutorial. So let's dive in. Firstly, let's start with the main.dart file. In here we have app widget, and in the app widget we have created app router and bot host builder. I use bot host builder to show you the observer section. So after we set the router config and the builder sections, we can go and set our routers. So for this, let's go to the router.dart file. In here we have class which name is app router, and in the app router we have router instance, and I've created the router instance as late because I want to pass the bot host navigator observer in here. Since I use the shell routes, which is for the bottom navigation bar, I have created the navigator keys for the shell and route. Then I set the initial location, which is the first page actually. So for the normal page, we can create our routes as go routes, and for the bottom navigation page, we need to create our route as shell routes, not the go routes. Okay. So our first page is go routes, our second page is go routes, and the last page is the bottom navigation bar, bottom navigation page. And to create our bottom navigation page, we have some other pages. So for our views, for example camera view, home view, or settings view, we have some other routes. And to create our views, again we use go routes. So you can ask, what if the page needs a parameter like homepage? For example here, homepage, and the extra parameter is hello world. Actually we give a title or text. I created as title, but anyway, let's go to the homepage and look at the title. Here homepage and the extra parameter is title. So to get the title, to get the parameter, there are lots of ways to handle. So the fastest way to get our parameter, I use extra parameter option via our state. So for example, if I write our state and put dots, we can see some other things, and I use extra to get our extra parameter. When I want to pass our extra parameter, let's see what we have. Here our bottom navigation builder, and on item tabbed like this. Okay, and here when I want to go our page, I say I want to give you an extra parameter which is a string, and it is actually hello world, and that's it. So for the multiple parameters, we can use map like this, or we can add some other parameters like subtitle or color. Yeah, so thanks to GitHub Copilot, I've created some other things quickly, but anyway, in here we have just title. So let's turn into the string hello and save. Let's go and look here, for example, and that's it. It is the fastest and easy way to get a parameter. So the other important thing is, as you know, the first page is camera page here, for example, and to go to the bottom navigation page, we don't use our shell routes. So let's go and look second page. Here, for example, let's go to the second page, and here we have go method and the name of the page, the initial page, which is the camera page, like this. And that's it. It understands automatically what is the camera page, where is the camera page, and etc. So the last thing in this video is the exit button in here. To go to first page again, to go to the top page, we can use the exit button, and actually it is the go method. For example, it is in here. We just go to the initial location and we can reach the first page like this. So you can ask, is it working on web or desktop? So let's try. For example, let's use the desktop and run. Here is the first page. In here we can go to second page, we can go to bottom navigation page, and we can switch the pages, views. We can go back to the first page like this, and we can go to second page and we can go back via push method. So let's set the method as push instead of the go method. First page, don't use go, use just push, save, and let's go to second page. Here we can go back like this, and it works on web as well. Let's try. We have first page. Let's go to second page. Here we can go back the initial page. We can go to bottom navigation page. Here we have camera page. Initially we can home page, and we can settings page. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new and useful about using GoRouter in Flutter for navigation. You can find the related project in the description below or in my GitHub profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Flutter. Thanks for watching and goodbye.